Hello, dear all. So this is me, Hassan, Notion Campus leader. So today we are gonna learn how to create a kind of like new account on a Notion. So simply you have to go on a like any of your browser which you are using. Either it's Microsoft Edge, it's Google Chrome or XYZ like Firefox or any other. So simply you have to go to like your search bar and search for Notion. So as I've searched here, so the first link which will be shown in your like shown into your eyes, so you have to click on that. Then uh, this type of screen will be opened in front of you, so you have to simply uh, get Notion for free from here, or you can just click on here, or if you have account, so you can easily log in here. So I don't have an account, so I'm just trying to do this stuff from here. So you have to enter your email address, or you can continue with the Google or any other uh, some stuff. So I'm gonna with sign up with the Google. So this will open a kind of like a pop-up box in which this will ask me for my mail and my password, and after that uh, like it will bring me on a Notion home screen. So when I just directly do a first sign up, so there are different members from my like department, or like from the uh, uni from which I am studying. So I don't want to join this workspace, so I have to create my workplace for my personal life. So I have to create it. So this is say that Notion, get Notion for desktop. So I already have a Notion desktop app, but for now I am using the other account, so I will like skip this option. So I already have a calendar, so I am skipping is in this just now. So just trying to create like my home screen. Yeah. So that's all. That simple is the basically Notion. So how to log in with the Notion and how to first time go. So simply here, this is the kind of like Notion AI from which you can generate somehow like your stuff which you need. And here you can learn like this is the desktop application link if you want to go with that thing. I'll send that. So this is your home screen. We guys will continue from here, inshallah, in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.